We are here at Janetto, a brick oven pizza place in Green Hills. So this is what the place looks like. So I remember we really like their chili oil. So asked for their chili oil and taste it. Masarap siya than other chili oils talaga. Lasang-lasa mo yung garlic taste ng chili oil. So this is their menu. Their happy hour cocktails. This is their pizzas. Then their add-on pizza toppings. Their mains, dessert, and pasta. Then they have their honey. Here it is. So we ordered their best seller, the ultimate truffle mushroom. So mas overpowering yung garlic smell ng pizza kaysa sa truffle itself. So for the taste test. This is a good pizza, chewy siya, pero mas gusto ko sana if lasang-lasa yung truffle taste niya than the garlic taste. Then we ordered the happy hour buy one take one cocktails. This is their lime and mint.